Hey Morai, how are you doing? So I still remember when we firstly met in Jambi. It was June 1996 when we did some field work on Indra campaigns together with the people from around the world and also from Indonesia. So that's I met you, the what you call the Scottish guys, uh, busy in the forest working with Tim Boyle. It was amazing time, and then of course we have nice conversations and also a hangout. So we did the jalan-jalan ke pasar malam, jalan kaki. We ate martabak Mesir and sate. It was very nice. Just to remember the old golden days. Lik Katil for you. Good luck. Fi Sesien. Hey do.
Hi Murai, how are you? The first time we met, I think it's back in 1996.
Yes.
In Jambi, right? And
When we were unyu-unyu.
when we were still very young, very cute. And I think the things that I only remember when you fell off in the mud, right? And we all just laughing and you know.
We have no sympathy.
And we took the picture even for when you were still in the mud, so that we didn't do anything. Just, Murai.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Murai. Stay safe. Bye.
We just spoke about random friendships, random friends. You're not one of them. We met through our dear friend Tom Wright. And then we had a spin off from that series into our own little friendship without Tom. We had our dinners, our chats, our gin and tonic sessions together. And of course, haggis nights, which I never ever want to miss and will miss now that you're going to Sweden. I will miss you. I'm sad you're leaving, but I guess that's just another excuse for me to travel the globe to visit friends as an excuse. Add Malmo to that list. Good luck with your new job.
Good luck in your new job, Ben.
And we're looking forward to seeing you in the Northern Hemisphere in the near future. We've had a lovely time with Bella.
Halo Om Ben, sukses selalu di Sweden ya.
Halo Murai.
Halo Pak Murai.
Sukses selalu di Sweden. Jangan lupa semutik ya.
Hai Murai, selamat jalan. Semoga semakin sukses dan bahagia di negara dan di tempat kerja yang baru.
Goodbye Om Ben. Good luck in Sweden. See you. Bye.
Selamat jalan, Mori. This isn't bye, this is hello. Come to Europe, come to Europe. You're going to be close by. Looking forward to it, mate.
Yeah, we'll visit you soon.
Hey.
It's like milk made for humans. It's like milk but made for humans. Wow, wow, no cow. No, no, no. Wow, wow, no cow. No, no, no. It's alright. It's like milk. Oh, it's alright, yeah. It's just like milk. Wow, wow, no cow.